Hello, my crafty friends. I hope you're having a fabulous day. I am very excited to announce the winner for my hidden giveaway. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. If you're new to my channel, please take a moment to hit that subscribe button and also select the little bell so that you will always be notified when I upload a new video. This giveaway is a special way to thank my subscribers. I love reading your comments, your wonderful words of encouragement, and it really makes me feel good to know that I'm creating content that you want to see and that you appreciate. Thank you so much. I'd like to acknowledge two special subscribers and friends. The first is Julie Krabenhoft from Paper Play with Julie K. The other is Christine Johnson from Shabby Pink House. During the holidays, they sent me cards and I put them in what I thought was a special place so that I could record a video showing what I received. Unfortunately, I forgot where that special place was, and I've recently discovered the card, so I wanted to take a quick moment to share with you what they sent. The first card is from Julie Krabenhoft, and she's got these beautiful birds and this fun winter scene in the back, and she used a die to create this sentiment that says merry and bright. She's also included a very special message inside, and on the back I love this little stamp, when you care enough to make it yourself, Julie K. Isn't that adorable? This second card is from Christine, Shabby Pink House. She used this beautiful lace trim all around the card, and if you know Christine's work, she loves lace. She's got this beautiful pearl trim lining the card, these pretty roses, this beautiful pearl spray on the side, this poinsettia which is glittered with eyelash trim behind, this pink and lace ribbon, and back here, let me show you this. She has this little charm that says, "Let it snow," with a little snowflake. I think that is so pretty. She's lined the bottom with this ruffled tulle and lace, and then another line of pearls. She's created a tulle shaker card, and as you can see, she's included white and iridescent sequins and beautiful snowflakes. This image in the back, I believe, is from Stamperia Pink Christmas, if I'm not mistaken. She's also included a very lovely message inside. On the back, there's a stamp that says "Created Just for You" by Christine, and she has this adorable little metal charm that says "Made with Love." Julie and Christine, thank you so much for your generosity and always thinking of me. As a reminder, I will select 3 lucky winners to win one of these fun winter prizes. The first is a loaded percolator, the second is a snowflake bath bomb, and last but not least, a loaded cocoa mug. To select the winners, I used YouTube Random Comment Picker, and the winners are... My first winner is Karen Herrera. Karen, thank you so much for participating and for being a dedicated subscriber since my very early days of YouTube. Thank you so much. You can read Karen's comments below. My next winner is Sylvia Peaster. I love seeing messages from Sylvia. She is a comedian in her own right. She has me rolling on the floor each time I receive one of her messages. And a little known secret about Sylvia is that she loves chocolate. My final winner is Susan Klein. Susan said, "A gorgeous Noel album. Love the collection you picked to use. Your details are beautiful. 32 photos is awesome. Love the added pocket pages. Happy New Year, Sir Chauncey Rocco." Thank you so much, Susan. Congratulations once again, Karen, Sylvia, and Susan. Please contact me within 72 hours to claim your prize. You will find the details and my contact information in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching and subscribing to my channel. I truly appreciate your support. Please stay tuned for more fun projects, tutorials, and giveaways. Thanks again for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video. Bye for now, and happy crafting.